Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to fix your Shopify store not set up to receive orders. So sometimes you might encounter this error where it says that your Shopify is not set up to receive orders, or sometimes it says this. It says that sorry, this store is currently unavailable. So this could be happening because of different reasons. So one reason is that your Shopify still has some bills that needs to be paid, so that are overdue and that you need to settle them immediately. What you need to do is that you need to pay for the bill so that your Shopify will be activated again. And then another reason is that your Shopify is deactivated is because you have not yet availed of a plan for Shopify. So for example, you have finished the free trial of your Shopify, and now what you need to do is that you need to avail of a plan for Shopify so that you can go ahead and still continue to use your store. So to do that, just go to your Shopify dashboard and then go to settings. So from here, go to settings and then go to billing. So in here, you can go ahead and see all of the bills that you still need to pay, and then you should go ahead and settle them immediately. And the next thing is that you also need to manage your payments right here. So for example, you need to have a correct payment method so that your customers know what payment methods that they can use for your Shopify store whenever they are ordering a product. And then another thing is that you need to go to your plan right here, and then you need to choose a plan. So right now I am in the Grow plan. So if you don't have any Shopify plans yet, you can just see the different plans right here, which is basic, grow, advance, and plus. So the basic, grow, and advance has a $1 promo for the first 3 months. And then you can go ahead and choose your specific plan right here. And then you can also use the plus plan if you have a large scale business. And then that's basically it. So you just need to choose a plan for your Shopify, and then you need to settle all of your payments so that the error will not be happening anymore. And then you have now activated your Shopify store. And then that is it. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.